Welcome to today's tutorial, and today's online physics we are discussing flow rates. First question you ask yourself, what is flow rate? Flow rate is defined as the volume of fluid per unit time flowing through a point through an area. That is the volume per divided by Q is the volume of fluid per unit time flowing through point P through an or a given area. Now this is a pipe. Imagine I pour a fluid inside it and this is the fluid moving. This point in the fluid is what I call the area of the fluid, and the distance of the fluid is denoted by d. Also the fluid will be moving in average velocity. That is, our flow rate is velocity is the volume over time, the volume per unit time of a fluid. Now we know that volume is equal to length times base times height. Also area is equal to length times base. Since volume is length times base times height, I can choose to put volume as area times height, and the height we are dealing with here is distance. That is, here I will replace it with area times distance over c. So also we know that distance over time is known as speed. Here we denote it as the average velocity. So area distance over time is speed is times the average velocity. So flow rate can also be termed as area times average velocity, and the unit of flow rate, volume is in meter cube and time is in seconds, is meter cube per seconds. We are with a question, what is the flow rate of water that moves at an average speed of 2.8 meters per second through pipe with diameter of 15 centimeters? So we are giving our data the average speed to be 2.8 meters per second, and we are giving diameter to be 15 centimeters. So we are giving diameter, but we are not giving area. Remember, flow rate is also area times average velocity. So dealing with the area of this point, it's a circle which is pi r squared. But we are giving diameter. Remember that radius is equal to diameter over 2. But before we go here, we remember that this diameter is in centimeter, then we convert it to meter. Converting 15 centimeter to meter will be 0.15 meter. Now, since our diameter is 0.15 meter, we get our radius by dividing by 2. That is, will be 0.15 divided by 2, which will finally give our radius as 0.075. So with this we can move on. Remember, the flow rate is equal to the area times the average velocity. Our area here is pi r squared times average velocity pi. Our radius is 0.075 square, and our average velocity is 2.8 meter per second. So if you should press this in your calculator, you are going to have 0.05, and the unit of flow rate that we got was meter cube per second. So this is how simple and very easily you can solve for flow rate of a fluid. So thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.